Hello, I am Jessie Sharon, you are 1+C003. I am here to explain my second experiment in DBMS. So let me tell the first question. First thing is I have to populate all the records for each table. So I have created my table here. My table name is cust info. My customer details is I have just given it in cust info, which I have already created in the first experiment. So I have just given DESC to display all the contents in the table, and I have given my table name. So the first thing is I have to insert values into the table. So I have just given insert cust info, to which table I want to insert. So I have given insert into which table, and I have to select my cust ID, login name, register date, and all the whichever I want. So it is just showing 5 rows selected. Now I want to display all the details inside the data which I have given for the table. So I have just given select star from cust info, so which will give all the data as it is displayed down. We can see here the login name, customer ID is one, login name, and register date, what is the customer type, first name, last name, everything is displayed for all the 5 rows which I have given. So now it's first thing is this is the thing this is my first question, that I have to display all the records for each table. So I have just displayed my each table. Next thing is copy the customer details table into a new table called cust info. So I'm just going to copy all these contents into the new table called cust info. That's what I have done here. I've just taken insert into, I've created a new thing called cust info, and I've put all these details there. That's why it is copied in this table. This is the new table which is created. Now my next question is that it should show the display the distinct names of the customer. So I have to display one distinct name. So now I have to display the login name alone, or if I want the first name or last name. So I have just given select distinct whichever I want, login name, from which table, from the new table. Now my table, my content is connected in is in the cust info. So I have just given from cust info. So all my login name alone will be displayed from the table. So this is about the distinct name display. Next thing is distinct name display. Next thing will be my show the registration for the current date in the booking table. Registration, what is the current date in the booking table. So now first I have to display what all I have in my, first I have just displayed my booking table, that is select star from booking, and now what all details I have is booking number, customer ID, car booking ID, and return date. So how many dates, how many rows are selected will be displayed here. Now I want to display the booking date on the current so I have just used my sys date. Sys date is used for finding that. Select star from booking date, where booking date equal to sys date, that is my current date will be if there is any car registered on this current date. So there is no car registered, so it will be like no rows are selected. Next thing will be my next question will be list the register number of the car which is in green in color. So now I have to display the car which is green in color. I have to display the car details and this. So I have, first thing my command will be select star from which table my car, this will be in my car details table. I have just given where I have just given used a where condition, because they have already given the color should be green. So where color equal to green. So this will be displayed like car ID number, what is the registration number, color is this, and what is the car brand. If we give the if it is like this, if we give car brand equal to BMW, this thing will be displayed. So similarly I have just used the where condition here. Next question will be my create a save point S1. So they have asked me to create a save point S1. So I have to just give create save point S1, and the save point will be created. Next thing will be update the table luxury car as first class car in the table. So already my table consists of luxury car that they have asked me to update it as first class in the car table. So let me explain how I have done that. So I have to to give update. So already it is there. Now I have to just update the value. Update from price details. I have my table name is price details, and what I have to set. My car type is equal to first class, where already my car type will be luxury car. This is the name which I have to update, and this is already existing. So this will be like 2 rows updated, because there was 2 rows which contained the luxury car, that will be updated to first class. So this is about updating. Let me go to the next. Remove the records for the registration made in the current date, and experiment how the transaction recovered using rollback. So rollback is like we have already first thing, let me delete the let me explain how I deleted the car which is booked on the on the current date. So again I have used my sys date. Delete, I have just changed my command. Delete from which table where booking date equal to sys date. There is no car booked on the current date, so 0 rows deleted. Now they have asked me to do rollback to S1. Rollback is nothing but I have gave my save point S1, and now it will be rolling back to S1. So I have just given like this. It has come like rollback complete. So my next question will be display the luxury car annual income as annual income along with the car type from price details. They are asking us to display. They have asked me to display the luxury car's annual income. So let me explain that. So select from price details. I actually first I have to see which are the things I have. So I've just given my price details table, car ID, car type, and basic price per day. So now I have to give my annual income. So for my annual income I have given the formula. So this is my base price per day is there. So select base price per day from the table price details. Okay, that is there, and base price per day, that we need annual income. So we are doing star 12 as annual income, where I have to display the car type from which table I have given price details. So it will be giving my annual income of the luxury car. Next, annual income of the each car type which we have given already. So next question will be about insert a new record and into a cust info and commit it, and delete. Next thing will be delete the newly created row from the list. Okay, first thing I will be inserting a new record. So it is nothing but insert, like as usual how we do, insert into which table, cust info table I want. So I have just given cust info. Values, whatever the values, like what is the ID number, what is the name, registration date, each detail about all the data that are available in the table. So if I give like this, a row will be created. Now I have to delete the row, and I have given I have given commit, so that my data will be saved permanently. So here now the next question is about to delete the newly created row. That is my ID 6. I have created ID 6, so I have to delete that row. So I have just given delete from cust info where cust ID is equal to, where condition I have just used, where cust ID is equal to 6. So the row will be deleted. So this is about deleting the row. I have just displayed what are the details. Now it will be like as usual goes like till the 5 is, and they have asked me to do rollback again, and I have given rollback. It will come rollback complete. Next question will be about truncate the table cust info, and again they have truncate. First I have to do rollback, and I have to see what are the results, and I have to truncate the table, and again I have to do a rollback. So truncate is nothing but it will permanently delete all the things. So I have just given truncate table cust info. Let me show that. Truncate table cust info. So if I give this, I have to table truncated rollback. If we give rollback, because if we have given truncate, it will be like it will delete all the data permanently. So I have just given rollback truncate. Now if I give rollback will be completed, but when we give select star from cust info, no rows will be selected because all the data are deleted. So this is about my second experiment. Thank you.